Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for being here today. Today we're going to do something crazy and I'm really nervous about this because I'm going to laminate my brows. I'm so nervous to do this because I have really sensitive skin. I have reactions left, right and center, and you can use the same solution to do the brow lamination and the lash perm, but this is the lash lift kit that I have. This is the one I picked up and I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. My brows are something that I actually really like on my face. And I don't let anyone touch my brows. I've never been to a brow professional because I've heard such horrid stories from other people. Make sure the solution does not touch your skin. What? Obviously it's going to touch my skin. What do you mean? The first thing we need to do is use the cleanser, which is number 4, to remove oil, dust and makeup residue. Second step is to put on the glue. And I'm going to take this end of the brush to really comb out my brows. I've already made sure that my brows are trimmed and properly plucked, so I won't have any issues with really long hairs because I'm about to comb them all out. Here goes my thing. So yeah. My brow hair is really stubborn and thick as well, so I'm not sure if it's going to properly work. I think it's somewhat working. I'm just scared that I'm not going to be used to this and then I'm going to hate it for the time period it lasts. I don't feel anything weird in there. Like it doesn't feel sticky. Is this even sticking? Maybe I'll put a little bit more glue on. I mean, it's definitely more fluffier than this brow. Oh my god, definitely working a lot better with this side of the brush. Oh my god. I don't know if I want it to work now. I'm gonna start looking like the Grinch. I look crazy. I feel like this part of the brow just will not stick up. And then same with here, some of them did and then some of them didn't. Okay, I sort of fixed this one a little bit, but this one is just a goner. But this is what it looks like. So hopefully by the end of it, it calms down. This is sort of freaking me out right now. So I'm gonna move on to the next step. So the next step is to apply the perming solution. And this is the number 1 bottle. I'm going to take a cotton bud and apply it like that. It smells really bad. And then you have to use some cling wrap and cover your brows. Okay, so now we're going to leave this on for about 10 minutes. I look like someone off Star Trek, honestly. I really hope my brow hairs don't fall out, but I don't feel any stinging or any burning, so I guess that's a good sign. I'm going to just remove this. Oh, that feels good. I'm just going to clean it a little bit with a spoolie. Do you guys ever find that one side of your body is hairier than the other side of the body? And I have noticed this with the rest of my body as well, but like my right side is always a little bit more hairier. But you can see that with my brows as well. I'm just taking a cotton tip and absorbing any remaining moisture. Whew, crazy! Now going in with bottle number 2, and this is the fixing solution. After applying a generous amount, I'm going to cling wrap my brows again. I'm trying really hard to just keep these solutions on my brow hair so it doesn't touch my skin. Hopefully I don't react to this, but on the packaging it says that solution should not touch your skin, so be very cautious about that. And now I'll be back after another 10 minutes. Okay, so the 10 minutes are over. Let's take this off. I feel like my brows have been actually sweating underneath the cling wrap, but they're staying in place, so that's all that matters. It just looks like a nourishing oil. Is called Nutrition. I really hope that I haven't put too much solution in them because it looks like it's gathered up here. Obviously, if you go to an actual professional, you will have much better results compared to doing this at home. And the fourth step is using this cleanser, and I'm just going to use this on a cotton pad. This should take off any of the solution that's left over. Still using upward motions. Oh god, my hair is just gathering everywhere. Still using upwards motions so we don't ruin the direction of the eyebrow hairs. Oh, that doesn't look as crazy as I thought it would. Or maybe I just didn't do it properly. I don't know why, but on the cotton pad there's some brown stuff coming off. None of the products were brown, and I made sure that I removed all makeup from this area, so I'm not sure. That's it done. There's no products left on my brow. It looks like it's really sticking, so that's good, and I don't feel like I've lost any brow hair. I mean, this would look so much better once they've been filled in. I don't mind it. Like, I don't think I look that crazy, only a little bit. And I feel like this is the step where you can actually go in and, you know, pluck out any stray hairs or cut some extra long ones. I think that worked pretty well. I'm not mad at it. It's actually pretty good. But obviously it doesn't look like what it looks like in the photos when you go to like an actual professional to get this done. I feel like nowadays you get a lot of places which do professional brow lamination, and you can literally learn how to do it yourself as well. If you guys wanted to just try it out and see if you're actually going to be okay with it, I think this is a cool little DIY that you can do at home just to get the gist of it, to see if you guys do want to get it professionally done, because obviously it will be 100 times better than what I've done today. But it actually looks pretty good. It doesn't really say how long it's meant to last on this kit. Usually I'm pretty sure people combine this with brow tinting, which really helps with like the sparse areas, but I think it's alright for me. If you've tried it, let me know in the comments below if you liked it or if it worked for you, or do you regularly get it now? Because now I'm thinking, I'm like, should I get this professionally done to really get the proper taste of it? If I have to wake up in the morning and not worry about my brows, I would feel so much better. I guess I have been a little bit lazy with doing my brows. I'm excited to see how long it lasts, but yes, I will check in with you guys later. I've just used a concealer to carve underneath my brows, and they look really nice and neat and really fluffy. I really like it. I feel like it's not too fluffy, but fluffy enough. So it's the day after and my brows have pretty much gone back to normal, except for just like a little bit of fluff there, which sort of like is pointing that way, and same with here as well. And I noticed last night as well that they were like not looking very laminated. I mean, it's a fun thing to try out if you are uncertain about how you would like brow lamination. Okay, so it's been about a week since I did the brow lamination, and I attempted to do the bushy brows today. I just used some brow gel and the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. The brows have remained fluffy. So I feel like, as in a long-term use, it's not good naturally, but if you're going to be using products, it's fine, and you can definitely achieve the fluffy brow look, and I'm definitely more used to it now and I really like it. I don't know if I'm game enough to get it professionally done, but I'm definitely going to be wearing it with products. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you guys have tried it, let me know how you like it. But thank you so much for being here and watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.